Welcome to MTV Somali Channels Nightly News Bulletin. If you're new to us, please don't forget to subscribe in order not to miss out on our nightly news round in Somalia. In today's headline, Somalia's leaders enter second day of poll talks. Somali PM urges regional leaders to summarize issues to be discussed. Details emerge from a deadly attack in Baidoa. And Somali police commander and African unions discuss electoral security. We start with, Somalia's leaders met for the second day in an attempt to find a solution to the nation's debilitating electoral crisis. The PM-led talks will focus on implementing the September 17 agreement and the recommendations made on February 16 from the Baidoa Technical Committee. PM Roble said that the negotiations are progressing well and that he remains confident that federal and regional leaders can reach an outcome. A spokesperson for Somalia's federal government said that the PM wants to summarize each FMS leader's critical issues so that the forum can resolve them through compromise in the spirit of brotherhood. He added that the safety of Somali citizens is paramount. Somalia began its latest round of electoral talks on Saturday. It is the seventh attempt by federal and regional leaders to formulate an acceptable arrangement for all parties. The second day of the National Consultative Meeting on the completion of elections was chaired by Prime Minister Mohamed Hussein Roble. Discussions are underway on key issues related to the country's elections, based on the September 17 agreement and the February 16 proposals. Prime Minister Roble wants to summarize as much as possible with the key outstanding issues that the leaders are discussing in their meetings so that they can finally be resolved with a mindset of compromise, brotherhood and priority for the safety of the Somali people. And so the country can go for a free and fair election, according to government spokesman Mohammed Ibrahim Malam. The Prime Minister's office said the leaders' meetings were proceeding as planned by the Prime Minister, including that in some cases, if necessary, the leaders would have private appointments and hold private talks. More details are emerging from a grenade attack last night in Baidoa, the capital of Bay region. The attack happened in a checkpoint where Southwest State Government controls the intersection in the neighborhood of Baidoa, where the grenade attack took, with witnesses reporting hearing gunfire immediately after. 2 civilians were killed and 5 others were injured in the attack. The dead and wounded were said to be at a shop near the checkpoint that was attacked. The group that attacked the checkpoint fled the scene after the attack, and there is no word yet from the security agencies in the district regarding the attack that took place last night in Baidoa. The Somali Police Force Commander, General Abdi Hassan Mohammed Hijar, met with the AMISOM Chief and Special Representative of the Chairperson of the African Union Commission, Ambassador Francisco Madeira, accompanied by senior AMISOM officials this afternoon. Commander of the Somali Police Force General Abdi Hassan Mohammed Hijar met with officials to discuss election issues and how to ensure the security of the upcoming expected elections. The meeting came as the Minister of Security of the federal government of Somalia Hassan Hundubi Jimale said that the federal government has prepared a plan to ensure the security of the country's elections. Minister Hundubi pointed out that they are now just waiting for the TFG and regional administrations in Mogadishu to reach an agreement on the implementation of the security plan. That's it for our nightly news bulletin roundup. Don't forget to subscribe to MTV Somali Channel in order to not miss out on our nightly news roundup in Somalia.